Hello everyone, Jesse Webb, Traders Pro. Market conditions, bullish in a bull market. We didn't get much movement yesterday, but a little bit of a pause and a pullback. You can see, you might be able to see right here on this line. I'll go into the S&P chart, but we've just got this little tick back, excuse me, with this potential breakout level right here. So breaking out, we talked about this yesterday, some resistance still intact here for S&P 500 to work through. Bullish market profile here in the short term where we have sentiment, momentum, and breadth. Moving here, you can see that breadth is lagging. That's the only real concern here at this point is when you see market prices moving higher. You can see that green line right here, continually each of these new highs that we're getting in the market, we're getting not a lot of participation. That breadth represents the percentage of stocks that are trending higher in the S&P 500, essentially trending above a 50-day moving average. And so we're sitting at right around 50-60% on that, which is just not a lot of conviction in this overall uptrend for that group of stocks at least. Let's see if we can pull in right here. You can see just sitting right here, you can see where it has been in these upper ranges. So ideally, if we continue this uptrend, we get some confirmation with that. We get some additional companies that are participating in this overall uptrend. Buy-sell ratio still relatively flat. Just hasn't done a lot. This has been, this last month has felt like this looks right here. It's just been a mess, and it's been choppy, and it's been sideways. But that's what we've got to work with. So we'll watch to see if we get some continuation of that upside. So we are moving higher, trending higher, but we've just got a slight bearish bias right here. And with the buy-sell ratio, sentiment still has some range. We could certainly see more upside, and that would continue to move higher. Overall sectors that are leading currently, you've got aerospace, construction, utilities that are rounding out that top group. If we take a look at our current new buy list in the muscle stocks group here, we've got more biotech, Biomed, BMEA. This is a stock that has been a high flyer. This is a nice looking setup as far as continuation after a consolidation or after a counter trend move here. Looking for more trending to that upside. These biotechs have significant amount of volatility risk on these, so I'd be cautious with that alone in terms of the kind of stocks that they are and the kind of companies that they are. They can gap up and down 50%, and that's never a fun moment if you're on the wrong side of that gap. Trade a little bit smaller position on those. ETMB, another medical stock, good confirmation there. As far as a buy signal towards the upper end of that range, nice solid uptrend. IFRX, same story here, another Biomed. You can see they're just still popping all over the place, but they have a huge amount of volatility, especially these ones that get sucked into maybe some day trading activity during those days. They become they move straight up and they move straight back down. If you see them move like that, I'd be a little bit cautious. This is a good looking stock that we've looked at before, where you've got this uptrend. It's been, it's moved significantly in the last year alone, or just this year, I should say, since January, from 2 up to 5. Nice looking fundamentals here as well, and a good confirmation out of a pullback. Okay, by confirmation, I'm saying just this bar signal. So when we're pulling back like this and retracing, then we want to see a move back the other direction that lets us know, hey, that's confirmation. We're probably done with the correction. We're probably done with this counter trend move and now going to continue the trend. So as a momentum type trader, we're waiting for a little bit of confirmation. We want to see people making commitments and jumping in, and then we're going to participate in that. One of the advantages to doing that is that allows you to place and know what your risk tolerance is, what your risk profile is in terms of your buy location and then your stop location, either at the bottom of the bar or at the bottom of the most recent hold signal. So good looking stock right there, JFIN. MLTX, man, another Biomed. These long consolidation phase looks like it potentially could be working its way out of that. And as you go through that list, there's definitely lots to choose from in terms of biotech, Biomed stocks today. So keep an eye on those. You can go through and scroll, even if they're maybe not in that top 5. You can scroll through because there's going to be a lot that are in that upper rank that have got a 98 rank or higher, and you can filter down if you want to based on fundamentals. Maybe you're looking for everything that's green in there, or maybe you're looking for something that is 95 rank or higher, but in a different industry than Biomed or whatever. There are ways to do that with the screener. The muscle stocks setting here, you're going to notice you've got of that top 5 stocks, you've got a whole list right here. Sometimes that's a little bit intimidating to scroll through and go through, but that's what the screener is for, is to be able to fine tune down on something that you may actually want to be buying based on that specific screen. So for example, we've got high rank new buys. So in this group, I've scanned it and I've set up this particular screen to be able to look for anything that's 95 or higher and a new buy signal. Okay, so I can just find JFIN is in that scan. So if I'm looking to really fine tune my scan, let's see some of these others here. CARS, cars, cars.com, nice looking potential breakout on cars. OI, and another potential breakout on that. I'd want a little bit more confirmation on that stock, but there are ways to really fine-tune that. We also have available these predefined 21 scans, which is a really nice way to essentially look for an additional scan that just filters out some of the stocks that may be in here in that new buy list, but there's just too many. So there are definitely ways to be able to thin that out and just simply click on the screener and then have that output delivered to you just in a matter of clicks. If you don't have full access to the site, you can sign up with the link below, and we look forward to having you. Have a great day today.